Kunal, share with us your top chartbuster call.
Well, yes, Avan, it's on Ashok Leyland, and a very interesting chart. The stock, which has been seeing a corrective phase from 250, 260 levels to almost 200, 210, which the stock tested a few weeks back, I think is now showing signs of a very credible kind of a turnaround. So this is the charts for Ashok Leyland in terms of price. This is the stochastic oscillator for the stock, and we've seen historically that over the last many years, many months, that whenever the stock gets back into a point where the stock corrects, sees a sharp correction, the stochastic oscillator comes back into an oversold territory. And whenever there's been a turnaround for the oscillator, we've seen the stock replicating the moves on the upside and then starting off a fresh short to medium term uptrend. Now, the recent charts for the stock, when the stochastic oscillator came back into an oversold territory, the stock was almost at 150-60 levels, and from there on started a major uptrend for the stock, taking it back towards a 250 plus mark. Now, the reason why the stock is looking attractive, because it's now confirming a similar kind of a breakout in terms of a similar oscillator move. The stock is nearing a breakout of this 224, 225 mark. And as you can see in terms of the price pattern, it's also forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern closer to this 225 mark. So this could be a double breakout point for Ashok Leyland. And if the stock confirms this breakout, we could be looking at 240 to 250 as a near-term target for the stock.
All right, let's take it across then to Naresh to find out his chartbuster calls as well. And Naresh, what are you tracking today?
So that's a chart for Bank Nifty itself. That looks very interesting for the fact over the last few months, the stock, the index has made a bottom around this 49,600 to 50,000 mark. Yesterday also we saw a sharp recovery from that area. And now once we sustain above 51,000, that would be a confirmation of reversal, which would imply a target price of 50 to 500. So for now, it becomes a buy at this band of 50,900 to 50,200 with a stop loss at 49,500, and eventually expecting Bank Nifty to lead any momentum going forward.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.